Win a set of rescue recovery boards. Subscribe to the Quadratec YouTube channel and leave a comment down below. Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. Today we're taking a look and installing a set of our quick release mirrors for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL as well as the 20 newer Jeep Gladiator JT. I like a lot of things about these mirrors. For one, of course, they're going to make it very easy for you to see what's going on around your vehicle, whether you're cruising down the road or the trail. Depending on your local laws and regulations, well, chances are they probably require you to have a side view mirror present. So of course, when you remove those doors for that great springtime or summertime driving experience, well, those factory mirrors are going with it. You need a solution to keep you street legal. And I really love how quick and easy these mirrors are to install and remove so that you can put them in place in just a few seconds when you need them, when you remove the doors from your vehicle. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is to do that in just a moment. Now, before we dive into that, they are available in your choice of either a square mirror head or a round mirror head. So you can pick the style of mirror that you like best for your Jeep. And they do feature an all metal construction. So you're getting heavy duty steel mirror arms, mirror heads, as well as the mounting bracket. You're also getting a knurled aluminum bushing. Now that bushing is key to give you a very sturdy and durable mirror that's going to stay in place once you install it on your Jeep. Now there is just a bit of assembly required when you remove these from the box. You'll need to first locate these foam pads, peel off the backing, and we're going to stick that pad right here to the mounting bracket, wrapping it around the edge of the bracket so that we can protect the paint of our vehicle when we install these. And next we need to mount the mirror arm to the mirror head. Using a 12mm socket, go ahead and remove that bolt along with the washers from the mirror head. We're going to install the bolt along with a lock washer and washer through that mirror arm, along with a washer on the backside, and then we can go ahead and tighten that to the mirror head. And that's all it takes to get your mirror assembled and ready to install on the Jeep. Now I've already disassembled my mirror arm from the mounting bracket to make the installation easy here. Now all you need to get this mounted up is a T40 Torx bit and driver. You can use the one that came in the factory toolkit with your Wrangler or Gladiator. Or if you want to make this process a little bit quicker like I'm doing, I'm going to use my impact driver here along with a T40 Torx bit. First, we need to go ahead and remove this factory bolt found closest to the door. We can go ahead and set that aside because we're not going to be reusing it. We can grab our mounting bracket. You want to identify this with a small lip that fits under the cowl and this brace here that wraps around the back side. You'll also grab a new mounting bolt along with a plastic washer. We go ahead and slip that plastic washer right onto the threads of the bolt, and it's designed so that it's not going to fall back off. We also have these little spacers that are designed to take up the gap here by the recess in the cowl. So we can drop our new mounting bolt through the bracket, slip that spacer on from the back side, go ahead and line it up with the cowl there, get that started, and then grab your T40 Torx bit and go ahead and tighten that up. That's all it takes to get the mounting bracket installed to your Jeep. As you can see, you get a nice clean mounting bracket here that's left in place when you're not using your mirrors. I like to go ahead and thread that thumb screw right in place so I don't lose it, and it is also going to keep those threads and that welded nut from corroding from any of the elements. But you can go ahead and reinstall your doors and leave that in place. You don't need to remove that. Then when it comes time to take those doors off for a great day out on the trails or a nice cruise, enjoying the nice weather, well, all we got to do is go ahead and remove that thumb screw. We can grab that aluminum bushing. This is where that comes into play. It's not a flimsy plastic bushing. This knurled aluminum bushing simply slips right over the mirror arm there for us. We can go ahead and slide that into the mounting bracket on the cowl, drop our thumb screw into place and tighten it down. Of course, the knurling on that bushing is going to hold it securely in place when we adjust that exactly to where we want to get it for a great viewing angle. We also have some adjustment in the mirror head with some tension screws on here. We can tighten that up a little bit if you need to. Of course, you want to leave it just enough so that we can move that easily to get the perfect viewing angle to keep an eye on what's going on around your Jeep. Like I said, whether you're out on the trails or cruising down the road. As I mentioned, these are very versatile. So of course you can use them when you take the doors off your Jeep, but You can also use them with most tube doors that you might want to install on your Wrangler or your Gladiator, making them very versatile. You don't have to purchase a second set of mirrors to go with that tube door. The Quadratec Quick Release Mirrors can stay right in place here with your tube doors or with no doors. Of course, when it's time to put your doors back into place, spin that thumb screw off and pull the mirror out of the way. And at this point, you're ready to go ahead and reinstall your doors back on your vehicle. You can see it's just that quick and easy to remove and reinstall your mirrors once you have them installed. Not only do they look great, help you see better, but they're also going to help to keep Johnny Law out of your rearview mirror when you're cruising down the road.
Keep your Jeep street legal and keep Johnny Law out of your rearview mirror.
If you guys want to get more information or to purchase a set of Quadratec Quick Release Mirrors in either the square or round mirror head, you can click that info button to head over to quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the mirrors or how to get them installed, you can always leave this for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.